Allow Metro to resume operations on trial basis, says the Chief Minister of Delhi. Well, friends, those of us who are from Delhi, we all know the importance of Delhi Metro. Now, as you know, Delhi Metro is closed because of COVID, and we are also aware that now it is almost 155 days that the Delhi Metro has been closed for. Now, if you look at the losses, daily we are losing 10 crore per day. If you come to revenue, then we have lost revenue to the tune of 1500 crore as of now since the COVID began. There were 30 lakh daily footfalls in the Delhi metro before the lockdown. Now, Delhi economy is losing because of Delhi metro, and beside that, there are a number of factors. Now, to counter those negative effects, Delhi government has put its view in front of the public, and that is what they're going to do with regard to boosting the economy of Delhi. So, if you forget all the political differences, we as Delhi wala need good money because it not only boosts the morale of the public at large, but we all know that if you are economically better, then you can fight all the wars, including the Corona war. So, keeping that in mind, as written in the paper, Delhi government to launch online Delhi Bazaar for traders, wholesalers, and industrialists. Since we have lost physical contact, face to face, and digital in vogue, so things are becoming more online, and that is the reason they are launching online Delhi Bazaar. We are also aware that many malls have sprung up all over Delhi and Delhi NCR. But if you look at the governance, especially of municipal corporation and even the Delhi government, so suppose like I'm from West Delhi and if you go to Rajouri Garden Mall, TDI Mall, and all those malls, have you seen the roads? My God, when crores are being spent on malls, can't the government spend even few lakhs to build a good roads? So that is what is lacking, be it municipal or Delhi government or maybe central government. The government should come into action and invest where private people are spending. When private people want Delhi to be beautiful and more international standards and more of things of the time, so the governance also should not lag behind. So the government should come at the level of the private sector and do good for the economy at large. So there I durust hai. At least the government is realizing that they are lacking in infrastructure of the international standards. All markets and roads in Delhi to be beautified along the lines of Chandni Chowk. So I have already put in a lot of videos regarding Chandni Chowk. A lot of good renovation work is going on, and good. Sooner or later, the government has realized that things are lacking. Hope things like Chandni Chowk will come up in other areas as well. So Delhi diesel prices slashed. Good thing. So more should be done with regard to creation of more jobs, especially those which are skilled or based on those jobs which need professionals. We do not want labor intensive industry in the Delhi. Delhi is the capital of the country. We need to be at par with the international standards. We do not want those people who are unskilled or laborer kind of people. We want professionals, we want skilled people, we want creation of those jobs which need professionals, we need educated people, intellectual peoples. So in that case, we need IT, ITES, software, financial hub. Delhi should be the good financial hub. Delhi is already a big medical hub. Being a doctor myself, a lot of patients are coming from abroad, even at domestic level from Haryana, Punjab, UP. So that thing can be encouraged. VAT rate should be competitive as compared to the neighboring states, and they should not be unnecessary hawkers who are selling unhygienic food. Startup policy has to be there. Rozgar Bazaar launched good, and banks should come to the rescue of Delhi government or Delhi people at large, so that we have a good economy which is at par with international standards and at the par with the international speed. The way China and other countries are speeding up the economy, we need to be at par with them. So that is the whole message. Delhi Metro is one thing which we need. So with regard to Delhi Metro, with which the topic was started, so on trial basis, what we can do is we can have a minimum flat rate of 100 rupees. So anybody who is entering the Delhi Metro will have to spend rupees 100, whether going for 2 kilometers or 5 kilometers, or from Roni to Huda city center. I think 100 I've spoken large, but at least you can put it 50 rupees. So minimum 50 rupees should be the fare, and thereafter as per the kilometer. So on trial basis, trial basis, I will, I'll be on the side of the chief minister, wherein he says it's time now, high time we should start the Delhi metro. So at least on trial basis, we should start with minimum 50 rupees. That's my proposal. Thank you.